Volusion is an e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create and manage online stores. It provides various tools and features to help users design, customize, and market their products or services. With Volusion, you can set up an online store, manage inventory, process payments, and handle shipping. Here is a step-by-step guide on how you can make money online with Volusion in 2024. Research and choose a niche. Start by identifying a profitable niche or product category that interests you. Conduct market research to understand the demand, competition, and target audience in your chosen niche. Create a business plan. Outline your goals, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your online store. Set up your Volusion account. Visit Volusion's website, www.volusion.com, and sign up for a free trial or choose a paid plan based on your needs. Customize your store's design and layout using Volusion's user-friendly interface. Add products and optimize descriptions. Upload high-quality images and detailed descriptions of your products. Optimize product titles, descriptions, and tags for search engines to improve your store's visibility. Configure payment and shipping options. Choose the payment gateways you want to accept, e.g., PayPal, Stripe, etc. And set up shipping rates and methods. You can offer free shipping, flat rate shipping, or real-time carrier shipping rates. Design a user-friendly checkout process. Ensure your checkout process is simple and secure. Offer multiple payment options and consider implementing guest checkout to make it easy for customers to complete their purchases. Launch your online store. Once your store is ready, launch it and start promoting your products. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly and optimized for various devices. Optimize for search engines, SEO. Implement best practices for SEO, such as using relevant keywords, optimizing meta descriptions, and creating high-quality, shareable content. Leverage social media and content marketing. Promote your store and products on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Create a blog and share valuable content related to your niche to attract organic traffic and establish authority. Implement email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters, promotional offers, and personalized recommendations to your subscribers. Analyze and optimize. Use Volusion's built-in analytics tools to track your store's performance, identify areas for improvement, and optimize your marketing strategies accordingly. Provide exceptional customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and address any issues that may arise. This will help build trust and encourage repeat business and positive reviews. By following these steps, you can create a successful online store using Volusion and make money in 2024. Remember to stay consistent with your marketing efforts, adapt to changes in your niche, and continuously improve your store to maximize your chances of success.